Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on send text to speech messages on your account on Discord on RAR settings on permissions, easy and quick. First click here and now click settings, now click roles and now click here, now click permissions, and here as you see you will find send text to speech messages. Click on it like this and click save, and this will be saved. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.